Hi everybody. Today it's a really quick vlog, just to say that there will be no vlog. Really sorry to say, but there won't be any vlog today or Monday. We've hit a bit of a stalemate at the moment because Ted's had to go off and do 5 days work somewhere else, which is great because it means that he can bring a bit of money in, which allows us to pay for the entire flooring in here of the cottage, of the chateau, which is absolutely brilliant because at the moment the stalemate is until we get the floor in, we can't get the kitchen in. So we've got to get the floor in first. Also, we need all of the wood to be able to make the cabinets with. We've got some donations for the floor, some donations for the cabinet, but not enough for all of it. So the great thing is with Ted working for 5 days, we'll have enough money coming in to be able to do that. Now, I have ordered the flooring. We can't pick it up till the 19th of May, which is so annoying. But we do next week. I think it's next week, we're able to go down and pick up the rest of the kitchen because our family that's donated the kitchen, I think, are coming back next week. So that will be absolutely amazing because we can then really start to set the kitchen out. And with Ted working and being able to buy the wood for all of the cabinet doors means that we can finish this cabinet, which will be great. Now, I did take note of everybody, what you said last week about the colours for this. And I think I'm going to go with the dark wood. It seemed the majority liked the dark wood against the blue. Now, a few people did say about, and one of our patrons, Lisa Wright, mentioned this on our Zoom chat way before you guys saw this, was if you're standing here seeing the red and the blue, is it going to clash? And some of you said about incorporating the red into the kitchen cabinets. I'm just not sure I want a red kitchen, and I do have this worry that will the blue and red clash a bit, but I think until we do it, we're not going to know. It is 2 separate rooms, and the majority of people will be coming through this door here. So yeah, so I think when you see it from here, you don't actually see the red colour at all unless you're coming in the back door, which is their garden door, which, yeah. Anyway, so I think until I do it, I'm not sure whether we're going to like it or not. But if I did the dark red first, it would be really difficult we'd have to sort of sand it all down to cover it over. Whereas if I do the lighter blue first, and I don't like it, then I can change it for a darker colour. I hope that makes sense to you all. Anyway, so yeah, so we're kind of a bit of stalemate, waiting for materials, and but the good thing is we have the money to do it now, which is absolutely great. A few of you asked, are we opening the B&B this year? And it is open, yeah. We opened it from April through to September. We have quite a lot of bookings for the summer now, which is really good news because bookings were very, very low. We actually had a few cancellations in April because of the petrol crisis, the price of fuel. So, because a lot of our guests are travelling north to south, south to east. So we are the stop-off point, which is why we get a lot of one-night bookings. And yeah, a lot of people, I think, are thinking very carefully about what they're spending and how much it's going to cost them with the fuel. But yeah. So anyway, that's our update. Sorry Ted can't be with us, but as I said, he's off working. Poor sod. Yeah, I'm here with the doggies. So we will see you again next Friday, it will be. So not today, not Monday, but next Friday. We will see you then. And we'll be making the cabinets and hopefully going to pick the kitchen up and all that sort of thing. And then it will be flying along from there because we'll have all the materials to be able to crack on then and hopefully get this finished, which will be absolutely brilliant. Because next month I'm renting out the downstairs apartment in the Chateau, so we've got to move over here, whatever it is. So we've only got 4 weeks to finish it. Anyway, see you all soon. Take care. Love you all. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget, like, subscribe, thumbs up, hype, all that stuff. We'll see you again next week.